Welcome to UE Systems Ultraprobe 201 Grease Caddy Equipment Orientation, presented by UE Systems Incorporated's Training Division. The pieces that come with the Ultraprobe 201 Grease Caddy are the actual 201 Ultraprobe, the adjustable ball mount, and the noise-reducing headphones. The grease gun is not supplied, and there is an optional pouch to be worn on a belt. The pieces of the grease caddy are the magnetic transducer that is connected to the Ultraprobe by an RCA push connector, the Ultraprobe grease caddy itself with an LED display, the adjustable ball mount and clamp. Again, the grease gun is not supplied. The noise-reducing headphones to be worn under a hard hat. Optional is a belt clip and pouch that the grease caddy can be put in and worn on a belt instead of mounting onto a grease gun. The display of the Ultraprobe 201 is simple enough with an on and an off button. It does have a 5-minute kill switch. If it does go off, simply turn it back on. A low battery indicator with a circular red LED. If it is lit, it is time to charge the grease caddy. A 10-position LED. Headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter mono split. Sensitivity dial. Sensitivity dial has 8 positions, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It is backwards. 0 is the highest sensitivity, 70 is the lowest sensitivity. That's the way it is supposed to be. In order to lubricate properly, we need to understand the 201's LED display. Inspectors can estimate a current decibel and watch to see how many decibels fall off while lubricating. Each LED equals approximately 3 decibels. There are 10 LEDs. Here we have 5 that are illuminated. Multiply 5 times 3 for each LED, and that means that's 15 decibels. We would like to see 2 to 3 of those fall off. 2 would be 6 decibels. 3 would be 9 decibels. This analog estimation will not match that of an accurate digital Ultraprobe. We are not trending with this Ultraprobe. This is only meant for an estimation while lubricating. The Ultraprobe comes with a magnetic transducer that channels the ultrasonic signal to the instrumentation by direct contact or through available docking station. The magnetic transducer is put onto the docking station that you can attach that comes with the Ultraprobe 201 grease caddy. You can attach the docking station to the grease gun. Here we see it attached. Here's the grease fitting, the grease gun nozzle. Unscrew the grease gun nozzle and attach the docking station. The magnet sits flat to the docking station. Here's another example of it. Or you can mount the magnetic transducer directly to the bearing housing. Closest to the bearing is always the best. Here is on the front end of the bell. Here is on the top of the bell, close to the bearing. The hard hat headphones should always be worn. Again, they are noise reducing and meet OSHA's regulations for single hearing protection. We observe the display and we listen to the acoustic quality of the bearing as it is being lubricated. If you have any questions, please phone us at 1-800-223-1325 or email us at info@uesystems.com. Our website is www.uesystems.com.